Man, there's really nothing to do today. Like, since there's like no battles going on, no cities to protect, since it's like in the future. I wonder what there is to do today.
Hey Godzilla, what are you up to today?
Nothing really. I am very, very bored.
Well, do you want to see what Ghidorah and Mothra are doing?
Yeah, sure.
So I tell her, that's not meat, and that's a banana.
Wow, that's very funny.
I know, and it's not even the weirdest part. Weirdest thing that the next thing that happened is that on the news it said that was being tricked by the person next to me. Turns out the person next to me was just Dora. I know, crazy.
Hey guys, what you doing?
Oh, nothing much. And Ghidorah was just telling me a story about how things happened. I don't know. An inside joke was happening between us two. Not saying what it is.
Oh, that sounds fun. Anyways, do you two have any ideas what we could do tonight?
No, not really. And we've just been chatting since we also have no idea what to do. You want to join us?
Sure. Can you guys all join as well?
Sure.